In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your tax bracket in TurboTax. If you've already started working on your return and want to understand where your income falls for federal taxes, TurboTax can help you locate the key numbers you need. The important thing to know is that TurboTax shows your tax information, but you'll still compare that information with the current IRS federal tax bracket table for your filing status to determine your bracket accurately. To begin, sign into your TurboTax account. Make sure you're using the correct account so you can access the right return. Once you're logged in, open your tax return. This will bring you into the area where your tax information is stored and calculated. Before checking your tax bracket, complete your income, deductions, and credits information. This step matters because your tax bracket is based on taxable income, and that number can change as you enter more details. If your return is incomplete, the estimate may not reflect your actual situation. So take a moment to make sure your wages, other income, deductions, and any credits have been entered as fully as possible. After that, look to the left sidebar and click Tax Tools. This section gives you access to several helpful options beyond the main interview screens. From there, select Tools, then click View Tax Summary. This is where you can see a clearer breakdown of how TurboTax is calculating your return. Now review your taxable income and your total tax. Taxable income is the number you'll use to figure out your federal tax bracket. Total tax can also help you understand your overall tax liability, but for this process, your main focus is the taxable income amount. Next, compare your taxable income with the current IRS federal tax bracket table for your filing status. Filing status is important because tax bracket ranges are different depending on whether you file as single, married filing jointly, married filing separately, or head of household. Be sure you're looking at the correct year's IRS bracket table as well, since the ranges can change from year to year. Once you find the range that includes your taxable income, you've identified your tax bracket. Just remember, being in a certain bracket does not mean all of your income is taxed at that rate. Only the portion of income within that bracket is taxed at that level, which is a helpful detail to keep in mind when reviewing your taxes. Thanks for watching.